Most realtors think they need endless content ideas to grow on YouTube, but they really don't. What they need is the right types of videos at the right time, because buyers don't watch YouTube randomly. They go through phases. And if you understand these phases, content becomes simple. There are 3 phases every relocation buyer goes through: search phase, feel phase, and trust phase. And the realtors who generate leads on YouTube are not guessing what to post. They're creating videos for each phase. So let me break this down. The first phase is the search phase. This is where everything starts. This is where the buyer is just beginning to think about moving. They don't know where they want to live yet. They don't know what areas are good. They don't know what questions they should be asking. So they go to YouTube and they start searching things like cost of living, best suburbs, pros and cons of living in an area, commute times, what their budget gets them. Those are the high intent questions. And the videos that answer these questions are the ones that get discovered first. This is why the search phase is so important. They are how new viewers find your channel. Without the search videos, your content has no entry point. And so now, here's the mistake that most realtors make. They skip this phase. They jump straight into showing homes, talking about themselves, but the buyers aren't ready for that yet. They're still trying to understand the area. So if your content does not meet them in this phase, they might never find you. The second phase is the feel phase. This is where buyers start to imagine their life in the area. They're no longer just researching facts. Now they're asking different kinds of questions. What would it actually feel to live here? This is where your content needs to shift. This is where videos like neighborhood tours, driving tours, walking tours, vlogs, hidden gems, things locals know. These videos allow the viewers to visualize themselves in the environment. They can see the streets, they can see the homes, they can see the lifestyle. And this is important because people don't make decisions based on logic alone. They make decisions based on emotion. The search phase is logic, the feel phase is emotion. And if your content only provides information but never creates emotion, the viewer never builds a connection. The third phase is the trust phase. This is where the decision happens. At this point, the buyer has watched multiple videos. They understand the area, they know what's going on, they visualize themselves living there. Now they're trying to decide, who do I want to trust? And this is where most realtors lose because they never create content that builds authority. The trust phase are videos like relocation deep dives, step-by-step guides, action plans, checklists, contrarian opinions, honest takes. These videos show the viewer that you actually understand the market. They show that you are not just repeating information, you're guiding them. And when someone watches multiple videos from you in this phase, something starts to change. You're no longer just a creator, you're an expert in their minds. And when they're ready to reach out, you're the obvious choice. You might get a little confused here and think that you have to go in order. Search first, then feel, then trust. But that's not how people actually consume content. Buyers jump between phases. Someone might want to watch a cost of living video first, and then they're like, we can afford it. Let's move on to maybe watching a neighborhood tour. And then they're like, well, what's the process like? Maybe they want to watch a relocation guide. And they'll bounce between logic, emotion, and trust. And your channel needs to support all 3. That is why your content strategy cannot rely on just one type of video. If you only make search videos, people will find you, but they'll never connect. And if you only make feel videos, the people that do find your content are going to enjoy it, but it's going to take a lot longer for more people to discover you. And if you only make trust videos, it's going to be a lot harder for them to find you in the first place, although if they do find you, they'll trust you. So you need to work on all 3 together. If you want this cheat sheet, we do have a free downloadable in the links below. Just click the link and then you'll get the free downloadable with all 24 videos and in the right categories. So by creating these 3 categories of videos consistently, your content is now aligned with how buyers actually think. Search, feel, and trust. That's the framework. Most realtors overcomplicate YouTube. They think that they need more ideas, more equipment, more editing. But the truth is simple. If you create content that helps buyers understand the area, visualize their life, and trust you as an expert, your channel becomes a lead generation machine. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how realtors actually turn these views into real clients. Because getting attention is one thing, but turning that attention into a business is what actually matters.